Give me your blood, I promise you freedom. Give me your blood, I promise you freedom. All, my name is Suzanne Semi. I am a soldier in Indian Army. I love my country. I fight for my country. I protect my country. I sacrifice for my country. Father, Jai Hind. Thank you. Independence Day. I am a teacher. Good morning everyone. I wish you a happy Independence Day. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. People call me Father of Nation and Bapu. I am a lawyer and freedom fighter. I did in to peace and no violence. I Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram Sita Ram Sita Ram Raj Pyare to Sita Ram Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sita Ram. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. My name is Antima. I am here as Begum Hasrat Mahal. Begum Hasrat Mahal was one of the famous female freedom fighter of India. She was the leader of India's first war of independence. Thank you. Respected principals and teachers, parents, and all students. Indian Army. Thank you.